This is a carbine conversion kit for the 1911. Kakaiba. It's I've never seen one before. This is the first time I've seen this. It has a BSA optics. This one has an extended barrel. So you can see the barrel goes from the chamber up to the end. This is about, I think, 18. About more than 14 inches in barrel extension. That's about 3 times longer than the normal 1911. It will add more accuracy and more power to your usual 45 ACP. Now, I'm gonna try how this shoots. But before that, I'd like you to see the lower. This is a regular M1911 lower. What you do is you just slide in the lower receiver. This one is the whole upper receiver right here. It functions like the 1911 upper receiver, and it shoots like a carbine. So let's see how it shoots. I'm loading 120. What's this? 200 grain lead tip wad cutters. Okay.
All the way.
Oh, okay. Lock and load. All right.
Tingnan pa.
Meron pa.
Okay.
Okay. So clear.
Yeah.
That's clear. Okay. Ganda. Kakaiba, very unique, very controllable, because you have the shoulder stock right there. You have 3 point of aim. You know, there's contact on your shoulder, on your hand, and on the front end of the barrel. Excellent conversion kit, fun to shoot.
Pwede pang may bipod to.